Well, welcome back everyone, and today we have another mystery box, but I ordered a mystery box from eBay and it didn't come in a box. It came in this. So I do apologize to everyone, but I did open it because I didn't know it was a mystery box. There's nothing on the outside that says anything that's a mystery box. Now you do expect a mystery box because this is what a mystery box looks like. And it doesn't look anything like that. So I did take the contents out of this. And here they are. So we'll still open it. Well, I'll still show you what I got. And for $15. But I will get one from Amazon as well, a $15 mystery box. And I'll see how it compares with eBay's. So what do we got? Okay, we got this peeler here. So it slices and it peels all your fruits. You want me to open it? Okay, I'll open it quickly. All right, so here's the package. And here's the back. It shows you what, like if you twist this little knob around, you can get each different kind of slicer and peeler. That's basically it there. You see that? And that's the peeler. Anyway. Next, we got a double adapter. No need to take it out of the packet, but it's just a normal power double adapter. Next, this is going to be a quick video. Baby picture frame. I don't have any babies. And the next, last but not least, and I'll put this, well, let me show you, all right? In 1, 2, 3. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the eBay $15 mystery box. And I'll catch you on the next one.